Hey guys, I'm Risha.
I'm Ibrahim.
And we're the Mandinka Family. And today we have an awesome person we're going to be interviewing here at the Lamin Lodge. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
You be my queen, you be my screensaver. I'll be a king, no be cinema. Diamond, mineral, situation critical. You be my queen, you be my screensaver. I'll be a king, no be cinema. Diamond, mineral, situation critical. Sun kiss your body, glitter, glitter.
Hey guys, so I am here with the manager of Lamin Lodge. He is going to take us on a brief tour to show us, if you guys want to book a boat trip with them. It could be for a special occasion, wedding, in this case, in our case, a birthday, anything special. He's going to take you on a little tour and let you know what they have to offer when you book a trip for a boat tour. So if you can introduce yourself, where you're from, and a little bit about Lamin Lodge, how long it's been open.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Lamin Lodge. My name is Bakari. As he has clearly said, I'm the manager who is running the Lamin Lodge. And right now we are on the boat. The boat is a double-decker. You can see that the down part, which is the. I think you will go.
We'll
there.
take a tour. Okay. All right. I will come with you guys.
So as you can see, here is the down part of the boat.
Okay.
It has a toilet.
Okay.
It has a kitchen.
All right.
We have a bar also on this side.
Right here.
We
Okay.
have a system that if you come with your music,
Okay.
you can connect it via Bluetooth.
Okay.
And we have the upper deck also. The
Okay.
upper deck is for people who they wanted to have more of more fun when it comes to sunbathing and all these things. Because people normally, if they come, they like the idea of going up. And if you are swimming also. It's a good idea to jump from.
Yeah.
So most of them, they do that, most of the time. So as you can see, we do organize. She clearly said we do organize a lot of programs on board, from wedding to wedding celebrations to birthdays to just normal, people that just wanted to go out to have fun. We organize for also. We've been doing it for a lot of people, from tourists to Gambians to a lot of different people that have been coming, and we always welcome the idea of that. And Lamin Lodge is a place also that has been existing since 1985 till date, and they have been doing a lot of different tours. One of the tours is one of the famous tours is the Bath and Breakfast program, which we normally use these small canoes to do it. The one that is right here at your back. Yeah. So
This one's here.
That's right. Yes.
Okay.
So this small boat, we take you for a 2-hour cruise, but we do it a bit early, because it's Bath and Breakfast. That means that you come to see, mostly it's mostly for bird watchers.
Okay.
But nature lovers. But if you want to just enjoy and relax, you can also definitely come. It's not only for, but naturally, the name bird. That's why a lot of people think that it is connected to bird watching. But if you just wanted to enjoy yourself and feel free, you can definitely come.
If you want to enjoy the nature and the breeze of the sea, you can just come over. All right.
That's something that we've been doing. And we have binoculars and all these things. You don't have to come with any of those things.
Okay.
We'll give it to you so that you can have a very good view of the bird. Bats in general, if they see human beings, they tend to fly away.
Okay.
So that's why we make sure that we have things that you'll be more you have a more understanding of their way of living. Because the moment you are there, they tend to go. But the fact that you have something that you'll be able to see them, and that makes it them to relax. And
it's a nice view.
Nice view. That's right. Yeah.
So this looks like, very spacious, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but this boat is like really spacious.
Yeah.
It is, yeah.
So how many, including the top deck, how many people can this boat hold?
We've been arranging tours for up to 50 people, on this boat. Yeah. And if you don't mind, if you don't mind the amount of, there are people who they will not want to be, they will not want to be congested to a certain point. So if 50 is something that we can put in the boat comfortably. You know, but if people wanted to, if they don't mind, we can go up to 70. That's no problem at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
As you can see, a beautiful arch here. That's the toilet right there. That's the kitchen there. It's beautiful, huh?
Definitely.
Yeah, and the other thing is we always have people on board. That's because we wanted to make sure that you have a very good and lovely time on board. So we always have people that like Mahmoud is the barkeeper, or anything that you need on board, you can always come to him. You know, Karim also is always here. Connor will also be helping you with anything that you need. So we always try to make sure that when you are on board, you have the best time possible. Awesome. Yes, there's something that, and the buffet. We have. It depends on because what we do is we also cater for people that want tailor-made. There are people that they come, they want specific food, or this is what they want. We organize those kind of things for them also. But we have our set menus that we present to you. If you are coming, if you want a boat trip or you wanted us to suggest a certain menu for you. But if you have something that you wanted us to cater for you, that's not a problem. We can also do that.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Right, so we're headed to the upstairs.
So guys, that's this is the top part of the boat, As you can see, it's very comfortable. This space is just, lovely.
Really wide, yeah. So as you can see, there's the topper decker, and it's the reason why we did not put everywhere tables and chairs, because we have all the cushions for people who want to play games or any other thing.
That's what we're gonna do.
That's right.
Yeah.
If you wanted to play games or anything, we lay cushions here for you, and put this thing a little bit back so that you can have that part of the boat also. Okay. Yeah. So the boat bed is really big, and if anything that you wanted to do, we can definitely try to accommodate it on board.
Yeah. Those that want to sit and relax or lay down and relax.
Yeah.
You can lay down under here, get a little shade.
Yeah, if you can swim, you can just come up here.
You gonna jump off there, babe?
Yeah.
You can swim.
No, I can't.
Yeah, this is really nice. And like I said, it's very spacious, very spacious. So
That's the captain's corner there.
this is the captain's
Captain Camera. Or Captain Bouzouala.
Captain Baji.
Captain Baji.
Yeah, that's the captain's corner there.
Okay, that's the captain corner there.
Basically, as you can see, the engine is down, but that's where that's basically the steering for the engine.
This is where you steer it.
That's right. Yes.
Okay.
That's where you steer it, and we have a life buoy right behind the captain, just in case if someone fell inside the boat. With a 20. No, I think it has a 30-meter rope attached to it. Just in case someone fell down, and we can easily.
So how many times have you had to use that thing?
No, we haven't. We haven't had to use
That's
it at
good.
once. It's been. But if there's a day that they were swimming, and because of the current, the way the water was running, the person was basically struggling. So we have to throw the life ring in, and we put him back up. Yeah, and also we have life jackets on board, so people who they're not comfortable with when it comes to
they can just put
going up going for cruising. There are people who they generally
people like me, I don't feel comfortable, so I'm gonna just put on my jacket.
you can always put on a life
never
jacket.
know.
And sit down. But since 1985 till date, we have never had an incident.
Okay.
That's
so,
good.
Yeah, this is something that we want.
That means you guys are being very safe.
Okay.
You're being very safe and cautious. Make sure everything's intact.
Definitely. And we, any time that we are on board, we gave you an introduction of how the boat is, what you need to do. Because normally, this boat, they are local boats. They are local pirogues that are converted into this. So basically, if you stand this way, you see the boat starts going on one side. Yeah. If you stand on that other side also.
Yeah, I can feel it tip.
Go in that way.
Yeah.
So we have to do this thing called balancing. If one sits here, one sits there, one sits there.
Oh, okay.
Although we with bigger boats like this, you don't have that problem.
Yeah.
You know, the balancing will just be just a little bit, an inch or 2 inch, you know, apart. But it's something that we should always put in to people's minds, so that if they see something, like if you are on dolphin search and other things, you see that if they see a dolphin coming, they all go on one area real quick. So if you did not put that at the back of their mind, then that's where issues can rise. So that's why.
So can someone be in the sea here and try to catch some fishes?
Yes, we do that.
So you allow people to do fishing?
Yeah, we put fishing lines on board.
That's awesome.
These are all things that if you requested for it, we put it in for you. That's right. Yeah.
It has to. You have to request it in their booking.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just. This is beautiful. Okay, so now one of the things that people will more than likely want to know when they book, just general pricing. So, what is the pricing like? What does the pricing start at for say 10 to 20 people?
All this pricing, it depends on what you want on board also. Because as I told you, it depends on whether you want it. There are certain people who they will say we want grilled shrimps, grilled fish, and the more
the different types of food,
the
better the food.
That's right. Yeah,
the more it's gonna be.
The price goes up. But the more you have the more the numbers also, the better the numbers, the more we can.
Like say for example, you have like 50 people. Someone wants 50 people. The price will kind of come a little bit down.
Definitely. You have a very good price.
But because it's less people, like 15 people, you have to pay the price that
That's right. Yes.
Right.
So, but the moment the numbers goes up a little bit, we give you a very good price. Yes.
Now, is there a website that people can book and any social media pages where people can view?
Yeah. So we recently had this Lamin Lodge page that we have on Facebook.
Okay.
Because there is something that we've been struggling to do for some time now. And I think the only thing we have right now is our number and our email address and that Facebook page. But we are working on creating websites and all these things so that it could be easier, for people to get in touch.
Okay, if somebody wants to call you for bookings, what is the number that you would give to the audience?
The number would be 781-2332.
Okay, 781-2332.
Yeah, but if you are outside the Gambia, you just have to put 00220. I'm on WhatsApp and all this order.
Any email address that you can give?
The email address would be gambiariver@yahoo.com.
gambiariver@yahoo.com.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So any of these two that you definitely send an email or you WhatsApp me, I'll definitely get back to you.
Okay. So do you have your trip pictures or videos for someone to kind of watch and have an idea of what you guys do?
Yes. We have
any on Facebook or stuff like that.
Yes, we have them on Facebook. But we'll update more because this is just recently that we have started with the Lamin Lodge page. And as you can see, the Corona has basically put a lot of people spirits down when it comes to tourism, and we are trying to uplift that with basically with anything that could come our way, and we'll work on doing that for sure. Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. How can they reach us?
The Mandinka Family at gmail.com, and on Facebook, the Mandinka Family, on IG, the Mandinka Family.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget, as always,
Black
love
love
is
is
Black
power.
power. See you guys.